tour to the islands in Lake Gatun was an exciting fast boat trip and wildlife experience. The islands are the tops of hills above the waterline when the area was flooded to make the Panama Canal. Lake Gatun is part of the canal. The trip included bus pickup from the eastern docks, with a brief stop at a service area, and a guide throughout the excursion. The boats were waiting at the dock and loading was rapid. Life vests were provided. There was a guide on each boat, who gave excellent commentary and was ready to answer the many questions asked. Progress was quick across the lake to the islands, an experience in itself. There was some splashing. We went under the Panama Railway. Near the dock we saw caimans and raptors. On the islands there were various species of monkeys, some of which came down to investigate the boat. We also saw bats and iguanas. A good value exciting trip. Such a fun and memorable tour. We spotted a sloth, alligators, bats, turtles, and several types of monkeys. With only 4 people in our group, it felt personal and relaxed, and our guide was fantastic, knowledgeable, and engaging. We also enjoyed a great view of the canal. Our guide was also able to accommodate a last-minute pickup change from the Megapolis Hotel to the Central Hotel, which was incredibly helpful and very much appreciated. I'd definitely recommend this tour. We had a great experience with this tour company. I accidentally booked our tour for the wrong date, and they were very accommodating and picked us up at the last minute for the date I actually wanted. Our tour guide was excellent. He spoke very good English and was very knowledgeable about Panama and its history. We saw several species of monkeys and my kids enjoyed interacting with them. The boat ride was also enjoyable and the scenery was beautiful. My family and I had a great experience today, with our tour guide Ricardo. He planned ahead and bought some fruit which was provided to the native animals, allowing us to experience the native animals' first-hand experience. One of the animals ate fruit out of my hand, which was an amazing experience. The boat operator also provided a smooth ride which added to the experience. Thanks again for the experience you provided. You get to see cargo boats right next to you along with visiting and getting up close and personal with the monkeys. Even saw sloths. Fernando picked us up from our hotel and guided us on the boat. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I hope to come back and visit though. This was a great trip for the cost. The scenery was amazing. We saw sloths, monkeys, birds and so much more. We were able to see the big tankers meeting in the lake as they moved for the Pacific/Atlantic Oceans. Amazing trip. Was sorry to see it end. It was awesome, very educational. Our tour guide was very helpful and very knowledgeable about the monkey. Ricardo was our tour guide. He was truly the best. I must acknowledge the boat driver and the little guy on the boat as well. Great team. Ricardo was excellent. We had the boat to ourselves and saw 3 different monkeys and a sloth. We even got some on the boat and one crawled on me. Very cool. Worth it if you wanna see the monkeys up close. This is a really cool way to get to experience nature and the canal at the same time. The monkeys are adorable and it's really special to get to be on the lake with the huge boats transiting the canal.